Hey everyone, Rosa Rago here, self-love expert and body intuitive. Thank you so much for watching my channel where I take you on a journey of self-love towards self-discovery and life purpose. So if you're watching this video, you've come to the point where you realize that you are here for a greater purpose and you don't quite know who you are, or you're in the process of discovering who you are, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So if this resonates with you, make sure to click the button and subscribe to my channel so that you can get my weekly videos. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and join me on this journey to rise. How love sabotages our lives. Have you ever wondered, how is it that we can have the intention of love, but still wind up empty, lacking, resentful, feeling unappreciated, feeling unworthy, feeling unnoticed? How is it that we can still get to this point and experience this even though we have the intention to love? The reason why is because of two things: unconscious intentions and belief systems. We are walking around in life every day, in every moment, unconsciously intending, even though we have the intention to love, but unconsciously intending to find love. There is a core belief that is functioning at this level, that is believing that we lack love. So imagine this. Imagine you're walking around in life and every choice that you make is all a reflection of inside you actually believing that you lack love. That's what you're actually believing. There is no love, and therefore it ends up justifying our actions, ends up justifying how we make our choices, all in the name of a love that we're seeking because we believe we lack it. And so even in the process where we give love to another, and we're giving love from a place where we're believing that we're lacking it. And when we do this, we end up going into love with an expectation. And when those expectations aren't met, and every time we have an expectation, it always comes and partners with disappointment. And we wound up being disappointed and feeling resentful and just feeling everything but love. With the core belief, believing that there is a lack of love, and the intention being to seek love to fill that lack, we wind up feeling lack, because with every intention that we start with, we'll always end it with that same intention. So even though we think and we're telling ourselves that we are giving love, the truth is we're believing we lack it, so we end up only seeing lack. It can only be there and be available to us once we believe that we already have it. We're going to think we are giving love when we're actually looking to receive it. Because we don't believe we have it, we end up looking in all the wrong places, ending up where we started, which is a lack. So how do we fix this? What do we do about that? We gotta believe that we're not lacking love, and then we have to have the intention to just be love, because it's not lacking. So when it's not lacking, you're going about your day, but you're just being love because that's what's there. If we move with the intention to be love, we will end up with love. This is the only way that love will not sabotage our lives. That was powerful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting some juicy content every week. All relevant links for this video will be posted below in the comments, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I look forward to this journey to rise with you, and until next time, bye guys.
We all fall down, and then we climb up. We all fall down, and then we rise up. We all fall down, inside. Let me tell you something about Journey to Rise. In the beginning, the best place to start is to get out of your head and move into your heart. Affirmative. You'll receive divine services. It's magic when you realize what your life purpose is. No need for conformity, you follow the majority. You have authority to choose your own priorities. If you catch yourself playing the victim, it's impossible to do with a great support system. Have presence and learn from your lessons. Know exactly who you are in complete self-acceptance. Magnificent and delicious to witness the unbelievable magical power of forgiveness. Meditation, the universal foundation. Go within yourself and do it in the education. We all fall down, and then we climb up. We all fall down, and then we rise up. We all fall down, and then we climb up. We all fall down, and then we rise up. It's free to pay attention. The keys to your ascension are in your self-expression, and you know your core intention. Anything can happen from the frequency of passion. There's so much satisfaction with core values in action. Use detachment, all judgment absent. Take advantage of the moment, don't do a reenactment. The words ego and fear, it's time to make them disappear. Give yourself a body scan, and then you'll understand. We've got way more powers than even Superman. Reach deep down inside and light your fire. You're the designer of all your heart's desire. For fulfillment, to the fullness, be resilient in your stillness. When you join the Rise family, it happens organically. Patience and compassion throughout all of humanity. We all fall down, and then we climb up. We all fall down, and then we rise up. We all fall down, and then we climb up. We all fall down, and then we rise up. Like a snowflake, we're all original, we're miracles, and everything is metaphysical. With integrity and add some simplicity, you're truly free within your authenticity. With clarity and transparency, there's an infinity of what you can achieve. She's a body healer, I know this to be true. Put yourself in Rosa's hands, she'll feel exactly what to do. She'll take you on a quest, she's the best. She'll set you up with the right action steps. We all have our own gifts. Have you uncovered your gems? Join the Rise family, we'll help you discover them. We all fall down, and then we climb up. We all fall down, and then we rise up. We all fall down, and then we climb up. We all fall down, and then we rise up.